My intuition.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. If you're returning, what's up, fam? Good to see you. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm Premium unboxing. I'm a little concerned because it does not feel very heavy. Does it say how much it weighs on here? I'm not seeing a weight. Let's get into it. I missed the choice for this month, September, but alright, let's just get right into it. So here's the card. The first product is, oh, actually, I might, okay. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Rhubarb and Rose Creamy Lip and Cheek Palette. A creamy lip and cheek palette with 5 buttery shades that melt seamlessly on the skin to give you natural conditioning, radiance, and color. So I really have been loving cream blushes, so I'm excited to see what these colors look like. Ooh. So the only one that I probably wouldn't use would be this one right here. But all of these other ones, yes, I would definitely use. I almost kind of want to put like this rose colored one on. That's pretty. Okay, so this retails for $45. You know, oh, there was a time where I would have not been happy with a cream blush, but maybe as I'm getting older, my tastes are becoming more sophisticated. Okay. Next, we have in my misshapen box. This is the Tarte Sieg Lotion Skin Perfector. Get a lit from within look with this instant complexion perfector inspired by the magical glow effect of bioluminescence. It gives a natural luminous glow into skin with microlized pearls that reflect light to blur imperfections. The 4-in-1 complexion perfector works to prime and extend makeup wear, hide imperfections, glow, and brighten. Oh, that's awesome. So it says use alone for a healthy glow, wear under makeup for added radiance. Those are the only 2 options. Alright, this retails for $32. Let me, is what the little bottle looks like. Can you see that? It's really pretty. Ooh, I'm excited to try that. Okay. Next, we have this Bloom Effects Tulip Dew Mist, a multitasking face mist that delivers a brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamins B3, C, and D, and E to revitalize, refresh, and energize. Okay, it says it hydrates, tones, and protects you throughout the day. Spray evenly on the face for an instant dewy glow. Use before makeup as a primer, after makeup as a setting spray, and anytime throughout the day for a refresh. Okay, this retails for $34. Alright, next, I was really hoping I would get this. This is the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. Alright. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I mean, I probably could only use these 2 as highlighters. I could probably pull this one off too, but I could always use this as an eyeshadow since I wouldn't be able to use it as a highlight. I'm really excited. Alright, that retails for $34. I've already gotten this before. This is a Complex Culture Beauty Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Yeah, I already have this. I actually have been using it, but so I'm going to save this for a giveaway. This retails for $58. Alright, and the last product is like one of my all-time favorite hair products, and it is the Verb Ghost Oil. This is honestly like the perfect oil, especially if you have fine hair, because it doesn't weigh your hair down but gives it the effect of an oil. And their products are affordable, so this is $18. So I'm really excited that I have a backup. And let's see how much this total box has a retail value for. Okay, so it has a retail value of $225. I'm really excited about everything except for that T-bar facial massager. Honestly, I am happy with everything else. Alright, what do you guys think about this? Yeah, and let me know if you do get premium, if you got any of the same things that I did. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you in my next video. Bye.